said bald.
I did.
Oh,
Sick.
hands are going down. Hands are over squat track. These are way too big for me.
Here we go again.
Hi.
Cody, are you dying?
What?
Say hello.
Hey!
Woohoo! Mine. Ow. Looks like it'd be better swim over here. There's rocks.
What?
What?
I thought you said something.
Yeah, it looks like it'd be better to swim over here where there's rocks and not dirt. What?
Is your butt healthy?
I beg your pardon, madam?